What's up, guys? Scott Jansen here. Welcome to today's video. In this quick video, I really want to answer a question that I seem to be getting a lot of, and instead of answering the emails individually, I thought I'd create a video. And the question I'm getting a lot, which is, Scott, after the upcoming two-day advanced conversational hypnotherapy training, what happens then? So for those who are not enrolled or not aware, we do have our next two-day advanced conversational hypnotherapy training. It's an online training. I'll leave a link below, guys, if you haven't checked that out. But really what I want to talk about is what happens once you've enrolled. So the process that we've created is just realizing for therapists and coaches, this is not just another training program. This is an entire mentoring system that I've put together. So what does this really mean? Well, what this means is after you've done your two-day advanced conversational hypnotherapy training, you will also, and you'll actually get this immediately, you'll actually get access to the training footage, which is our training platform. And this is a training platform I've put together with, I think we've got about 70 to 80 hours worth of content from all different aspects of advanced conversational hypnosis, which you'll have access to. Not only that, you'll also have access to our private Facebook group, our support, the extra training, the mentoring, the mastermind training, all of those sorts of things, which I'll go through towards the end. This is just really a video to give you guys an example of what you get once you've enrolled. Now, the way that we put this together is once you've enrolled once, you'll actually have unlimited access, lifetime access, do not pay an extra cent to attend as many of the live two-day trainings as you like. Some students are coming up on their fourth training, only have to enroll once and you can attend as many times as you like. We try and get about 6 to maybe 10 trainings done per year, so you can attend as many times as you like. You have lifetime access to our private Facebook group, which I'll give you guys a bit of a glimpse at in a moment. Plus you guys have lifetime access to this training platform here. So once you've enrolled, you'll actually get an email from Kajabi, which is the platform we host this program on, which will give you instant access and your login details to this program right here. So really what this is just a place where we have stored all the last and the previous trainings. So the last 3 trainings that we've done, these are all the previous trainings which we have access to. We have a bunch of masterclasses in here as well. It's really a one-stop shop when it comes to mastering conversation hypnosis. Now, for those that have known me for quite some time or followed my work, this is not teaching you scripts. This is not teaching language patterns. This is not teaching regurgitated strategies that, I've just learned from another trainer and then started to certify people. No, this is all from real life training. This is from real world sitting in front of clients. I had my own practice for well over 10 years. I think it was close to 12 years actually. And this is what I learned along the way. So this is what we're teaching all of our students. So let's have a look at the stuff you'll get access to, guys. Like I said, lifetime access. You don't pay any extra for this. You get the support, the mentoring, the private Facebook group as well. So once you log in, you'll see we start off the training or the platform with just what we call our ACH, which stands for Advanced Conversational Hypnosis Strategy Webinar Overview. This is just a breakdown, goes to nearly an hour of everything that gets taught in the programs. And this is the 2-day program. This is the last training which you have access to. You see there's a lot of content in there. This goes for about 12 to 13 hours. We have the second program that we did. That was the second time we trained this, another 12 or so hours. You'll actually notice in this one as well, I've spent some time breaking down some of the most important demos. You might have seen those demos on YouTube, but that's me breaking down all the main demos to give people a better understanding of what we were doing, the strategies that were taught, and it's really, really helping the students as well. The third training, which we just did previously, that's all uploaded, ready to go, guys. Same thing, see a couple of demo breakdowns as well. And so you have all access to those. So each time we do another 2-day training, I'll upload that content and that footage into this platform because we have a goal. My goal is over the next couple of years to fill up this training platform with over 1,000 hours of content. And that's from all the live trainings, the masterclasses, the mentoring. We even have some private masterclasses that you actually have to be a part of this program that actually only get taught in our Facebook group. That's where these come into it, okay? So these are the bonus trainings that I've added as well. So you get access to all of these. You have my emotional trance method. You have my full testing cycle and strategy. You have my advanced hypnotic interview masterclass. You have my stop smoking hypnosis masterclass. You'll have my make everything you say hypnotic masterclass. And there's some more content being uploaded as we speak. From there, we also have, where this conversation therapy program actually started, About 6 or 7 years ago, I actually invited 30 of the best therapists and coaches when I was living in Brisbane. I invited them to a 2-day seminar and showed them live how to do this thing we call conversational hypnosis. No scripts, no language patterns, no NLPs, no NLP, no clunky techniques, no obvious relaxation strategies, walk down the stairs and relax, regressions, none of that stuff that we teach. This is what I call spotting unconscious moments. And this is an extremely advanced masterclass. We actually see it's actually video footage of this. And this is a big class. This goes for about another 12 to 15 hours as well. You have access to that. On top of that, you can see there's a lot of content here. We also have it's basically a basic training of conversational hypnosis. And I call this my 6-stage conversational hypnotherapy program, learning what I call my FITTER formula. And as you can see, this is a massive program. If I click the view all button, you'll see there's a ton of content that gets taught here. And that's for you guys to study as well. So this is the basic stuff. But as you guys realize, we're more about teaching the advanced strategies, advanced Ericksonian strategies, and really focusing on what I call the therapy. I know a lot of trainers out there, a lot of trainings out there. If you look at them, what are they mostly focused on? They're focused on the induction. They're focused on just the hypnosis stuff. I quickly realized after having my practice for several years that the hypnosis stuff didn't matter. Learning the best induction didn't matter because the only thing my clients were paying for was the therapy. And that's what makes our approach and this training platform plus the trainings we do live so different, because we only focus on the therapy. Anyone can hypnotize anyone. Anyone can go into trance. Anyone can be relaxed. Where most people get stuck is in the therapy. How do I treat this type of problem? How do I treat this type of symptom? How do I do this? How do I do this around helping my clients solve their biggest problem and pains? That's what this advanced conversational hypnosis training is focused on. I'm not teaching you another induction, not teaching you another relaxation strategy. I'm not teaching you another regression, another timeline, more language patterns, because those things don't matter. And you can get them recycled from every other hypnosis trainers out there. They're just basically regurgitating the same stuff that they were taught or they were taught in a book. This is real life experience, guys, you're going to get here. And this is what the advanced conversational hypnosis training is going to be about. Plus this training footage as well. You get access to this content right here and you have lifetime access as we update. Like I said, as we do the upcoming trainings, I just upload that new content here. And like I said, the goal is to get over 1,000 hours worth of content by next year. So it's going to be a lot of content, really a one-stop shop. But on top of that, like I said, you have lifetime support. You have lifetime support in our Facebook group here, guys. You get lifetime access to practicing with the other students, getting advice from the other students. You have lifetime access to mentoring with me, which means that if you need questions answered, you can just message me privately and I'll answer those questions specifically to you. There is constant mentoring. We're constantly uploading new content and new footage and new ways to help our students. And like I said, you've only got to enroll once. Like the cost of the program is only $997 Australian dollars, and that's all you'll ever pay. Okay. And like I said, you get access to all this content as well. So like I said, once you've enrolled, if you haven't checked out the next training that's coming up in 2 days, it'll probably be the last one for 2021. I'll leave a link below. You guys can check that out, enroll straight away. Like I said, once you enroll, you'll get access to this content right here. You'll get access to our private Facebook group. And basically, I'm your mentor for life. So there we have it, guys. Hopefully that answers the question. Pretty straightforward, but as you see, there's a lot of content, there's a lot of training, because the goal is to help you become the best hypnotherapists, coaches, NLPers, and healers on the planet, get the best reputation, help your clients in the quickest fashion possible, take out all the confusion and all the worry and all the script reading, the language pattern learning, the clunky techniques, take out all of that stuff and show you how to instinctively use hypnosis in such an easy fashion, but have your clients have the biggest breakthroughs in the quickest amount of time possible, because that's where the money is. That's where your reputation is going to go. And it's going to be the easiest way beyond that to actually grow a business as a therapist and a coach. So there we have it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Like I said, I'll leave that link below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next program. Bye for now.